in my face. I ain't got no words, I ain't got no words, I ain't got no words. See them strong.
Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down, and I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air.
Please hang up and try again.
The smoothie R synthesizes and detoxifies chemicals. This trash can is a smoothie R because it holds all of our waste. Chloroplasts convert light energy into chemical fluid using photosynthesis. This is an example of the chloroplast. The mitochondrion is the powerhouse of the cell. These generators is an example of a mitochondrion because this is the powerhouse of our cell city. The cell wall supports, protects, and shapes the cell.
I've been hit by Cupid.
The vesicle transports things in and out of the cell. These bicycles are an example of the vesicle because they transport fluids. The nucleus is the control center for the cell. This clock is an example of the nucleus because it controls the time. The Golgi apparatus modifies, stores, and packages proteins from the ER. This mailbox is an example of a Golgi apparatus because it ships protein. Ribosomes build proteins for the cells.
I am Alice, I'm in Wonderland. Where's the rabbit? He is late again. Goodness gracious.
This construction site is an example of a ribosome because it builds for our city.
'Cause I can't wait for him. Who has got the time? Round and round and round and round we go. It's just like the
cell membrane controls what enters and leaves the cell. This police car is an example of the cell membrane because it controls what enters and leaves the county of Spartanburg.
The nuclear membrane controls what goes in and out of the nucleus. This gate represents the nuclear membrane because it controls what goes in and out of the droplet. The chromosomes store genetic information in the cell. This bookshop acts as a chromosome because it stores genetic. Because it has books
With information in them.
Oh my. Been having conversations about breakup.